a system of medicine. It is a legacy of custom, tradition, and holistic care that has stood the test of centuries. Rooted in balance on how it continues to offer solutions for modern challenges while staying true to its natural foundation. As manufacturers, researchers, and practitioners, we carry the responsibility of preserving this heritage while adapting with the contemporary needs. Over the past 8 years, Udma has worked tirelessly and strengthening collaboration among manufacturers, advocate for quality standards and regulatory recognition, promote research and innovation in the art of formulations, build bridges between professional types and modern design. This journey has not been easy, but together we have reached remarkable status. Today, I would must stand as a respected voice of the industry, ensuring evaluates techniques society and the SBI system. Particularly the last 1 year, Udma has been several representations to the Ministry of Finance, the Government of China, and have against some of the prominent ones today. But in addition to the Ministry of Finance regarding considering UIS standards for the full sector, which was accepted and published when the Gazette dated 28 past 2021. Representation to Minister of Finance was sent regarding new changing the guidelines on 15 March at the time. A meeting was held between representatives and CCRA regarding temporary trials and further collaboration for propagation of the Ghana system. Second, the several regulating and state sessions have also been held at the UNIDA Center of Excellence of the and talking of the output. We also continue to make stats prices and makers who government and private finance audits proppers. The same as also by another asset foundation in India and Nigeria. The highlight of Udma Day event is the exhibition of the race outside this model, where companies have showcased their latest product launches and offerings. There is a thinking that it's narrative. As we celebrate this milestone, let us all look forward. The world is increasingly turning towards natural, holistic, and sustainable healthcare solutions. This is the moment to focus the relevance of human medicine as investing in lifestyle disorders, chronic medicine, and preventing health system. Our vision must be very clear. Let's do it. Quality and obtain this nearly development on what it is. Who invest in research and innovation where bring this condition with competitors after to expand the reach to human medicine, not only in India or globally, making it a plastic policy for I say that market clients who also request and patrons and partners of Udma were served by nations. The scholars, practitioners, and regulators who continue to guide us and makes it workfully the customer, the consumer who place their trust in your organism. We have supported the irrigation of the pillar of the partner set. On this aid to party, let us next to work with the renewed energy, purity, and vision. Together, we can ensure that Unani medicine harmony deserves its glorious past, but also shines brighter in the future, what would they get? Thank you, and hope all the participants they monitor this to understand sexually over the potential. Then back on